Welcome. If you've ever wanted to stop Instagram from accessing your camera, you've come to the right place. In this quick and updated guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to disable camera access for Instagram on your phone, step by step. It's simple, effective, and takes less than a minute. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all the privacy and app permissions that control what your apps can and can't do. Take a moment to scroll down until you see the option called Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on your device. Tap it to open the list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, find Instagram in that list. You can scroll through manually, or use the search bar at the top. If your phone has one, it'll save you some time. Once you've located Instagram, tap on it to open its settings. You'll now see a few different options, but what we're looking for is permissions. Tap on permissions to see everything Instagram is currently allowed to access, things like your camera, microphone, contacts, and more. From here, tap on camera. This is the crucial step. You'll see choices like allow only while using the app, ask every time, and don't allow. Select don't allow. Once you do that, Instagram will no longer have permission to access your camera. This means the app won't be able to open the camera directly when you try to post a story or take a picture. Don't worry, you can still upload existing photos or videos from your gallery. It only blocks the live camera function, giving you full control and privacy. That's it. You've successfully prevented Instagram from accessing your camera. It's always a good idea to review your app permissions every once in a while. Taking these small steps keeps your device secure and your personal data under your control. If you found this useful, make sure to share it with someone who might need it, and check back for more updated tech tips like this one.